Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be making this 3D printed Super Chipmunk. This plane was printed using a hybrid system of PLA and lightweight PLA. PLA for its strength and the lightweight PLA for weight reduction. I printed this plane using the ELEGOO Neptune 3 and 4 Plus. There will be links in the description and they are affiliate links, so if you were to grab something, that would be helping out the channel. This plane was created by 3D Air Ventures and there will be a link in the description if you'd like to make this plane. It's a 64-inch wingspan and it's a nice flying plane, and stay to the end of the video where you'll see how it handles moderately rough landings. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel with notifications on. Let's get into this maiden. Let's do a surface check. Up, down, left, right, left, right. Take off the mid rates. Perfect. Good. Alright, we're ready.
Keep that elevator up until you're ready. Yep. Yeah. How's it feel?
Good. It has some power. That was like 2/3 of the drive.
Uh-huh. Yeah, the colors on this plane show up a lot better on the camera than the black ones.
Yep.
Yes. Okay.
Hopefully you have a good landing. If not, I just go around.
There's always next time.
5 minutes.
Nice. Successful maiden.